All right, so I was just about to tuck in, but I just feel compelled to speak to this right now. Here I am laying out in a snowstorm in my hot tent. I should not be able to do this. Like, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. But I'm sitting here, and it is the intelligence of humanity. It is our ability to manipulate our environment that separates us. Just surrounded by down feathers and nylon and Gore-Tex and wool and in 60 something degrees. Let's see, this is there. 75 degrees. 75 degrees. Totally glamping. So don't make fun. Definitely glamping tonight. But I can, and that's awesome. So yeah, cheers. Hoorah, hell yeah to that. We're awesome. Go humans.